Hey, what's up, people? Today, this video, I just got receive a set of Headlight black housing for the EK. The one I have originally, like you can see, I'll show you, they're a little bit burned, too much burned, so even if I try to polish them or whatever, they're still gonna look like shit, you know? So here's a sneak peek. See, all there. It's all burned. No, I got a set of black housing yesterday, but they're not aftermarket or whatever. They're just been custom, as you can see. Open it up and paint and everything. So they're not super nice as I thought they will be. But for now, it's gonna work. Just for now, until I can get something else later on. So here's a sneak peek. So they're not bad. They're nice. Just on the side here, as you can see, they're a little bit open, but make it work, right? So at least just for now, just to cover, at least I can have some headlight on it. So we're just gonna put that on for now. My harness still not done for the headlight harness for the full tuck yet. Still, I still have to cut all the pins and all the all the small grommets that they have. So sorry for today. It's a bit it's windy. So there you go. So we open it up this. So let's try to put let's see how they look with the headlights on it. So let's put it one on and I'm gonna put the bolts on it just to see. Sorry for the video, second one, trying to figure it out, some angles and stuff like that, so it's pretty hard. So that's how they look like. It's not bad at all. It's getting there. Sorry, wrong side. I'll go a little bit further. Can barely see. There you go. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Let's put the other one, see how it looks with the both of them. I won't put some bolt on, they're just temporary for there. So as you can see, it's not bad at all. Looking nice. Bumpers out. Just clip the bumper quick. Those two are brackets. So for now, look at what it looks like. So for now, it's getting there. So I'll show you with both. Just quick look. Not bad at all. Looking good. Looking pretty. For now, that's it. And I just want to say a huge shout out to my boy, living Booze by the Pound. Brandon Valencia. Check him out. He's got a crazy channel. He's got those are the old videos, but he's gonna make some new ones really soon. So I'll show you the banner. He sent me a nice banner to put on the car. I don't know if you guys can see. So that's the banner that's gonna be on my car. So I appreciate, bro. Thank you very much. Shout out to you, and hey people, go check him out on YouTube. Booze by the Pound. Crazy videos. And yeah, and check it out too. My other bow, it's brevus. That'd be garage, crazy sick build, building in the garage like me, and a lot of passion and love in it. Go check them out too on YouTube. That'd be garage. Check them out on Facebook. I'll put all this description in the link below. So and yeah, anything. So I'll get more stuff soon. So for now, that's what I have for now. So thank you very much for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe. Thank you so much. See ya.